friends, ready for some stretchy, squishy, color-changing magic? Let's make the coolest slime ever! Let's go! Grab some glue, white and clear, pour it in a bowl, have no fear. Add a little water, stir around and round, watch the mixture start to sound. Now we need some color, bright and bold, drop it in, let the story unfold. Blue or green or pink or gold, slime is coming, brave and bold. Slime, slime, stretch and shine, magic goo that feels divine. Warm it up with your hands so fine, watch the colors change every time. Slime, slime, pull it high, gooey fun that reaches the sky. Polymers dancing, oh my my, slime magic, give it a try. Activator time, drop by drop we go. Careful now, watch the magic grow. Stir it slow, then faster, feel the change begin. From liquid to goo, let the fun spin in. Knead it, squeeze it, pull it apart, feel the stretch right from your heart. It's getting stronger, it's getting smart, slime is ready. Here's the best part. Slime, slime, stretch and shine, magic goo that feels divine. Warm it up with your hands so fine, watch the colors change every time. Slime, slime, twist and twirl, gooey magic for every girl and boy in the world. Heat from fingers makes colors swirl. Slime forever, give a cheer and whirl. Roll it in a ball, bounce it on the floor, make a silly face, stretch it more and more. Hide a little toy inside the goo so deep, pull it out slow. Surprise, what a treat! Leader. Why does it work? Can you guess with me? Chemistry, chemistry. Glue and activator link up tight.